What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best budget mirrorless cameras that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Canon EOS M50 Mark II is a versatile mid-range mirrorless camera catering to content creators and travel photographers. Equipped with a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and a Digic 8 processor, it delivers impressive image quality. Its standout feature is the dual-pixel CMOS AF system with 4,779 AF positions, offering fast and accurate autofocus. The camera's fully articulated 3-inch LCD screen and 2.36 million OLED electronic viewfinder enhance its usability, providing flexible shooting options. Designed with content creators in mind, the EOS M50 Mark II excels in vlogging and online streaming. It introduces features like live YouTube streaming, vertical video support, and a mic input, enhancing its appeal for video creators. The camera's autofocus system, including eye autofocus and tracking, ensures sharp and detailed shots, although limited to focusing on one face or set of eyes at a time. Despite its compact form, the camera provides excellent image quality, capturing vibrant colors, natural skin tones, and fine details, especially when paired with the kit lens. While its 4K video capabilities are limited to 24p and lack dual-pixel AF, it compensates with clean HDMI output for high-resolution streaming. Battery life might be a concern, but an optional battery grip offers a solution for extended shooting sessions. Overall, the Canon EOS M50 Mark II stands out as a solid choice for both stills and videos, making it particularly appealing for on-the-go content creators and travel photographers looking for a compact and feature-rich mirrorless camera. The Canon EOS RP stands out as a compelling choice in the world of full-frame mirrorless cameras, particularly for enthusiasts and first-time full-frame buyers. With its 26.2 megapixel CMOS sensor and Digic 8 processor, it delivers impressive image quality. The camera's dual-pixel CMOS AF system, offering 4,779 AF positions, ensures fast and accurate focusing, making it ideal for a variety of photography situations. One of its key features is the fully articulated 3-inch LCD screen and a high-resolution 2.36 million OLED electronic viewfinder, providing a versatile shooting experience. Its compact and lightweight design makes it highly portable, catering to travel and street photographers, as well as those transitioning from DSLRs to mirrorless systems. While the EOS RP excels in producing excellent JPEGs, its RAW files are slightly noisier and less flexible than some newer full-frame models. It might not be the top choice for high-quality video production or fast-action photography due to its limited burst speeds. However, it remains a great value, especially for users with existing Canon EF lenses. Overall, the EOS RP impresses with its engaging controls, sturdy build, and outstanding image quality. Its combination of portability and full-frame capabilities makes it a likable and accessible option in the realm of mirrorless cameras. The Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV has earned the prestigious title of the best overall travel camera. This compact yet powerful device strikes a perfect balance between user-friendly functionality, top-tier quality, and an intuitive interface, making it particularly inviting for beginners. The EM10 Mark IV introduces significant upgrades, including an enhanced autofocus system and an upgraded sensor, ensuring its relevance in the rapidly evolving photography landscape while delivering superior image quality. Despite its small size, this Olympus model offers surprisingly comfortable ergonomics, featuring a well-designed grip for one-handed operation. Its design pays homage to classic smaller cameras of the past, evoking a sense of nostalgia. The adjustable vari-angle screen is a standout feature, aiding travel photographers and content creators who frequently shoot from various angles. The revamped autofocus system excels in tracking moving subjects, while the new 20-megapixel Micro Four Thirds sensor substantially enhances overall image quality. The 5-axis image stabilization benefits vloggers. The camera's startup time is swift, and its intuitive interface simplifies navigation. With a shooting speed of 15 frames per second, it excels in capturing fleeting moments, ideal for street and wildlife photography. Paired with a lightweight 14 to 42 mm lens, the EM10 Mark IV's portability and ease of use make it an attractive option for smartphone photographers. In conclusion, the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV stands as a remarkable investment, offering exceptional performance at an unbeatable price-to-quality ratio. The Panasonic Lumix G100 is a compact mirrorless camera tailor-made for vloggers and content creators seeking a portable yet powerful imaging tool. Boasting a 20.3-megapixel 4/3 sensor and an ISO range from 100 to 25,600, this camera delivers detailed and versatile performance across various lighting conditions. One of its notable features is the centrally placed electronic viewfinder (EVF), a rare find in such a compact design, along with a pop-up flash and a hot shoe, catering to diverse creative needs. The Lumix G100 offers 49 contrast detection AF points, ensuring precise focus, and supports 4K video recording, enhancing its suitability for multimedia content creation. While the G100 excels in producing detailed images and flexible RAW files, its battery life leaves much to be desired. It struggles with image stabilization without a tripod, impacting its usability for handheld photography. The camera performs decently in travel photography, particularly with its ability to track moving subjects, although its continuous shooting speed is moderate. In video applications, it performs adequately in studio settings, but faces challenges with autofocus during motion, and its internal recording capabilities are average at best. Despite its limitations, the Lumix G100 remains a viable choice for vloggers and creators, offering a compact form factor and diverse lens compatibility within the Micro Four Thirds system. The Sony a6100 is a versatile and user-friendly mirrorless camera designed for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Equipped with a 24.2-megapixels APS-C sensor, it delivers high-quality images and impressive 4K video recording at 30 frames per second. One of its standout features is the advanced autofocus system, boasting 425 phase detection points and 425 contrast detection points, covering 84% of the sensor. This hybrid autofocus system, combined with Sony's real-time tracking technology, ensures sharp and clear shots of moving subjects, making it excellent for capturing dynamic moments. The camera's performance shines in various scenarios, from landscape photography to low-light conditions, thanks to its reliable autofocus and impressive image quality. It includes a built-in flash, a feature absent in its pricier counterparts like the a6600. While it's suitable for sports and wildlife photography, the buffer clearing time can be a limitation during extended shooting sessions. For content creators, especially vloggers, the a6100 serves as an excellent upgrade from smartphones or point-and-shoot cameras. It provides manual control, zoom capabilities, and interchangeable lenses, enhancing creative possibilities. However, it lacks some advanced features found in higher-end models, such as real-time IAF for video and S-Log gamma profiles for improved dynamic range. Additionally, the absence of a headphone jack for monitoring audio levels might be a drawback for videographers seeking comprehensive control over their recordings. Despite these limitations, the a6100 remains a compelling choice for those entering the world of mirrorless photography, offering a blend of performance, convenience, and affordability.